It has been an amazing year for all of us at Lichtsinn RV. With 2018 coming to an end and 2019 quickly approaching, we wanted to look back at 2018 and share with you some of our favorite moments. In 2018, Lichtsinn RV was recognized as the #1 Winnebago dealer in North America for the 4th consecutive year by Winnebago Industries at their Winnebago Redefined dealer meeting in San Diego, California. Lichtsinn RV was also named the #1 dealer of Class B motorhomes, #1 dealer of Class C motorhomes, a top 2 dealer for Class A diesel motorhomes, and a top 5 dealer for Class A gas motorhomes in North America. Winnebago introduced a handful of new, exciting products from late 2017 through 2018. The first being the Winnebago Revel, a true 4x4 all-season RV perfect for getting off the beaten path. Next, Winnebago introduced the Travato 59KL and 59GL with the Pure 3 lithium energy management system powered by Volta Systems. The Travato 59KL and 59GL are Winnebago's first venture into lithium-powered RVs, and it has been an exciting one. And at the end of 2018, Winnebago brought back the legendary Class A gas motorhome, the Adventurer. In July 2018, we were so excited to be back at WIT Club's Grand National Rally. Our entire team had a great week seeing all of the familiar faces and making new friends. This year, we held a barbecue at the dealership for an evening of food, fun, and fundraising games for the American Cancer Society. Lights, camera, Lichtsinn RV. This year, we were fortunate to be featured on Great American Country's Going RV TV show. Going RV explores the RV buying process. Lichtsinn RV was also featured in the RV Industries trade publication RV Pro, and we will be featured in a new show debuting on Outside TV. Lichtsinn RV added 12 new members to the team in our sales, finishing, and service departments. With our additional staff, we remodeled our building again, adding additional offices for all the new members of the Lichtsinn RV team. 2018 was the 60th anniversary of Winnebago Industries, and as a trusted Winnebago dealer for over 40 years, we were excited to help celebrate this monumentous occasion. Forest City welcomed the Skinny Winnie and Fuse owners groups to town for their annual rally in September. Lichtsinn RV kicked off the festivities with an entire day of educational and entertaining seminars, led by our RVDA Master Certified RV technicians. They spoke about compact coach product, parts, and service tips. We entertained nearly 200 Winnebago View, Navion, Via, Rayo, Trend, Viva, and Fuse owners over the course of a day. In 2018, Lichtsinn RV continued to donate to various charities through our We Care charitable giving program. We continued to donate money to the Forest City School District, the Forest City Fire Department, Forest City Education Foundation, the American Cancer Society, and the Forest City YMCA. In 2016, Lichtsinn RV was a diamond sponsor of the Bowman Fine Arts Center, and in late 2018, the Fine Arts Center held its grand opening. In October, Lichtsinn RV guest Gail loaded her new Revel up with supplies donated from Lichtsinn RV team members and drove down to South Carolina to provide aid to Hurricane Florence victims. And since it is the season of giving, the Lichtsinn RV crew donated Christmas gifts to help over 20 children in the local Giving Tree program. 2018 was a year filled with amazing moments for the Lichtsinn RV team. We want to thank all of our guests who helped make this year a very special one, and we're looking forward to what 2019 brings.